In this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to teach you how to sell your products on LinkedIn, and that too for free. Yes guys, LinkedIn offers you a feature that help you to sell your products directly on the platform itself. Yes guys, so let's just directly jump into the LinkedIn platform and learn how to list our product and obviously how to get sales by selling those products. So guys, as you can see, we are into our LinkedIn profile now. Now in order to sell the product, first you need to go to your company page. So let's directly jump into our company page over here. As you can see here, we do have 49 company pages. Let me click on this one, and once this company page opens, as you can see, products option, click on this, and as you can see, we have already posted one just for the testing purposes. Now here you can see the add a product option over here. Click on this, and once you click here, you will see two options. The first one is yes, my product and organization have the same name, and the no, my product has a different name. Obviously the second option is more suitable because every company has a different product name, right? But in some cases, if the company and the product has same name, then you can choose the first option. But for now, I'm going with the second option. Hit the next button, hit the next button again, and here you need to add the name of the product, right? So here I want to add the software name. Let's say I'm selling sales software, so I'm writing Selu, right? My sales software name is Selu. Let's just hit the get started button. Now once you hit the get started button, the page has been created. Now you need to add all the details about your product, like all the details, images. If your product has any kind of image or the logo, you can add that as well from here, right? Let me cancel it. Now below this we do have the name option. Obviously if you want, you can change it. Then you need to add the category over here. So if I click on category, as you can see, this option is basically available for different some specific industries, like B2B softwares, computer hardware, financial services, like this, right? So this service is not available for every industry, so you need to select the suitable option from here. So I'm selecting field sales software. So let's go with the field sales software because as I already told you, I'm selling a sales software, right? Now let's go to the next option, overview. Here I can add the description about the product. So let me write it, this software is for sales team. So obviously you need to add all the details. This has 1000 character limit, so you can go with the full detail. Now let me copy this just for the product website URL, right, and hit the save button. Now in the media option, you need to add all the details. Basically you need to add the videos and the images about the product. So if you have anything about the product on YouTube and Vimeo, you can embed that thing as well. So let me take one dummy image, and here we need to add the title. So again I'm adding Selu, and in the description part, let me add again best sales management software, right? So this is totally dummy. Now here below you will be able to see one more option, which is set as primary media. Obviously we need to set this as a primary media. Hit the save button. Now as you can see, now let me go to the now here in the media section you can add a video as well. Now let's go to the customer section. What you can do is, in the customer section you can add your existing customers. Let's say you have some renowned customers like TCS, right? Tata Consultancy Services. You can add those as a customer list, right? And people will be able to see that these companies are using their software, right? So this helps to increase the credibility. Now let's go to the product users. In product users, you need to enter that for whom or for which kind of company this product is, or for which kind of people this product is, right? And here in the sales option, obviously this product is for sales, so I'm adding sales specialist. And you can add some more extra specific options. Now hit the save button. Now let me close this. Now as you can see, everything is filled. Now my product page, basically the product page is totally done now, right? You can obviously you can customize it better. I'm showing you the demo thing only, right? You can add the hashtags as well. They have used my product name as a hashtag, so obviously you can use some extra hashtags. Now in the call to action, you can add the download button, or you can add the request demo option. So whatever the option suits you, you can go with. Now here in the URL, marketing funders. Now if you want to add the basically collect the leads, obviously you need to add the privacy policy of your company, right? Because we are collecting data from the user, right? That's why. So you need to enter the privacy policy URL. But if you just want to drive traffic to your website, you can go with the first option, right? You just need to enter the suitable option, suitable CTA button, and then the URL, and here you will be able to see that the preview. Now hit the save button, and let me go with request a demo. Let me hit the save button, let me close it. This is how my product page is looking like. Obviously you can customize it better with your real product and the real content, right? This is totally the demo thing, but the process is the same. You just need to follow this process. Now you need to click on the submit for review, but I'm not going to submit it for review because LinkedIn will review this product page and then they will approve this, right? This is totally demo, that's why I'm not submitting this for review, right? Now once the product done, you will be able to see the product in this product section, right? I hope you got the point and you understood the process. I hope this video helps, and let's wrap up this video here. We'll meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.